What is up, YouTube? Today we're in the new gym. It's like much closer to my house, but it's called the North Fitness. They've got like anime murals on the walls and shit. Like, look at this stuff. Fucking Sasuke and Naruto on the wall. I'm here with that.
It was a Sasuke, Naruto fight.
Live now. Bro is absolutely vibing to the music. How's the fly? Yeah. What do you think of the fly machine?
It's way too smooth.
Yeah.
I'm used to that.
See the contraction in the chest, bro.
I don't know you, stop filming me.
He's here to see a 12-year-old girl. Yep. Come on. Go. Go. Come on. Come on, pull. Go. Pull. Alright, so we got loads of clips right now. We went upstairs, took some clips upstairs. So we finished all of chest. Now we're on back. And again, this machine, took some clips already. Look at this dude, absolutely marking. Holy shit, bro. Why is he huge like that, bro? Why is bro shaking his head, bro? I can't even compliment you anymore. Now we all hoping to compliment.
Everyone watching, everyone.
Swing round, come on, chill with me. I got your favorite show recorded on my TV, but we don't have to watch that, no. I'll turn off the radio. So won't you pick up and we can link up? It's not a hookup. Don't think
Get on the tricep.
Yes, you're precisely right. Everything that you thought had meaning, every hope, dream, or moment of happiness, none of it matters as you lie bleeding out on the battlefield. But does that mean our lives are meaningless? Does that mean that there was no point in our being born? Would you say that of our slain comrades? What about their lives? Were they meaningless? They were not! Their memory serves as an example to us all! The courageous fallen! The anguished fallen! Their lives have meaning because we...
Alright, so what is up YouTube? I just came back from the gym. Pretty long leg day. I did some squats, Bulgarians and some leg extensions, so I'm very tired. I've got an upper day tomorrow, and as you might see earlier in this video, I went to this anime gym called the North Fitness yesterday. Did some deadlifts over there, hit 215 kilos. The form was kind of arse, but at least we pulled it. I feel like it's been a while since I pulled something relatively it's relatively something I would call an achievement, but it's alright. Just gonna get more now. 220 probably in 2 weeks, because I feel like if I pre up enough on my PR day, that'd be fine. But long story short, just gonna get stronger from now on. I just came back from the gym, so, and I got some parcels that I need to unbox now, so I'm gonna get straight into it.
Alright, so firstly we have a gym lamp that you might have seen around on TikTok and Instagram that I just thought it would be quite handy to have good lighting whenever I wanted, and like pretty accessible, pretty transportable. It's a pretty small box as well, so but I'm not really gonna use the box. I'll just get into it now. Cable comes with it, USB-C to USB charging, just basic stuff. Put that away, and just the thing itself. This is the gym lamp on its own, magnetic. Has like a thingy that you can attach to anything. It hangs on whatever. This attaches to basically any surface that's like metal or like has an adhesive surface. So this is how it opens up. You can change it to any. So wait, how do I? Yeah. Okay. Boom, 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 and then boom. Yeah. Buttons here for double lighting. Oh, that's bright. Change the modes, change the colors, boom, boom, boom. Has side lights too. And then it has singular ones. If you want a singular light, change the modes on that. Pretty good. You're gonna see this in my videos quite a lot, but this isn't really the main thing I wanted to show you. I mean, although my channel isn't really based on like gaming and stuff and like lifestyle or whatever, I do like posting like gym content. But I will get into some stuff like that as well really soon, because I feel like I should expand my reach a bit more. Probably help me get a few more subscribers as well. But I've got this for the gym, and the next thing is a keyboard that I wanted for quite a while, and I feel like I needed one because like this my typing experience on my shitty laptop has not been the most ideal. So I'm gonna try to get a pen to open this. There we go. Alright, so let's just get straight into it. This is the Yunzi AL71 keyboard. I'm very excited about this because I feel like I haven't had like a gaming keyboard in a long time. But I feel like I really needed it. Alright, so clearly I had the box the wrong way around, but finger at the bottom. Okay, open it up. Get this little two different ones in English and in a different language. So that's to the side. There's some extra keycaps. These are double shot PBT. If you know what that means, but I know what that means. The keyboard itself, we get an accessory box, little accessory box. Then this comes with extra switches, wired braided keyboard, braided cable, a USB to USB-C, which connects to the keyboard, but it also works tri-mode, 2.5 GHz dongle, Bluetooth, connects to Windows and Macs, so I feel like it's pretty versatile. Then keycap and switch puller. Put that stuff to the side. That's all the accessories. Let's get to the main event. Pretty heavy, bro. I didn't expect it to be this heavy. And here's the keyboard itself. Very nicely packaged in some plastic. I got it in the white color with the crystal white switches. If you're familiar with keyboards, you'd know Yumbi is a pretty good brand when it comes to making keyboards. The build quality is very good for very low prices. Very nice dust cover that I'm definitely going to be using because I get a lot of dust on my desk. Gotta be careful with this. Aluminium, bro. You don't see that in a keyboard under 50 quid. Take this off. That was a horrible take off. And then the keyboard. So, you hear that sound? Little moon right here, very nice, with a star in the middle. Side RGB, did not expect that. So the way I want to connect this keyboard is through Bluetooth because my laptop is pretty shit and I've only got one USB connection port, so I'm gonna fix that now. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it on now. See the Windows and Mac USB dongle in here, but I'm not going to use that. So let's try Bluetooth. Whoa, look at that. Side RGB is beautiful. Doesn't have any stands, but I don't really care about that. So now we're going to try and connect this. I'll be honest. Oh, it's working, perfect. Oh. Very nice. I don't know how you do the. I think it was. Yeah, that's how you change the RGB modes. I don't know if that's specific. Oh, it has a side RGB only as well, which is quite handy. Oh, that's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. RGB modes, very clean. I don't know how to cycle the side RGB modes. I did see how to do this when I was watching a review. So, yeah man, I'm pretty happy with this. The best thing about this keyboard is the sound, man. Like, this is so clean. Very, very nice. Very happy.